Good morning, guys. It's a very nice and warm Sunday morning out here in the lake. The water is incredibly clear and the weather feels a little bit stormy. Really looks like we might get a storm at any time later today, but I'm out here trying to seize the morning. I came here to catch some pike cichlid. Oh, I already got a couple bites. Yeah, when the water's clear and the weather's warm, that's when the big pike cichlid bite is on. So, I don't know, maybe I get lucky today. Just here to have some fun. I haven't had the chance to go fishing for golden dorado, and hopefully this coming week I will be going to a new place that I never fished before. It's kind of a risky bait. It's kind of a risky bet to go there because I've never been there, and I don't even know how the kayak will handle in that place. But because the place that I always go hasn't been very good with the dorado bites lately, I don't think it's worth going again. I must try fishing in a new different spot. Well, we'll see about that later this week. Right now I'm just here enjoying the morning and trying to catch some pike cichlid or whatever other fish that would like to bite. I take all comers. Oh, there's two pike cichlids there chasing my bait. Not big ones, but hopefully I can get the attention of bigger fish somewhere around here. As always, I'm fishing with my trusty inline spinner, but since those fish seem really small, I'm gonna give the grub a little try. The grub is better for smaller fish. The good old blue grub. Great pike cichlid bait. Very, very effective. It's a little bit windy already. Oh, there we go. Makes it a little bit difficult to cast the grub a long distance because wind is coming from the front. But good thing here is that I don't need to cast very far to get some bites. There we go. Whoa, that's a nice fish. Ho ho! First fish of the morning on the blue grub. Hey, Mr. Pike cichlid, and that's a good medium-sized one. Woo! There we go, pike cichlid. Damn, that's a healthy fish. I don't see any chopped fins, and the color looks really good. It's very dark. That's a very nice pike cichlid. And he's a fighter. Pike cichlids are not the best fighters out there, but they're abundant and fun to catch anyway. Alright. Okay, he's gone. He went back safely. Oh, that's a big gust of wind there. That doesn't feels very good. I think I will have to go back to the spinner, because no way I'm gonna be able to cast my grub with this wind. Woo, there we go. Oh my god, that was so fast. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness, this is a really small one, but look at the colors. I really like the juvenile pike cichlids, because they're so beautiful. Look at those colors. They're so clear in the bottom and dark in the top. It's like, it's a really pretty fish. Oh my goodness, so tiny, so aggressive. All right, buddy, I'll let you go. Awesome. They're really aggressive today. I'm seeing a lot of small fish chasing the spinner in groups. That's not something I've seen before, like such a big amount of pike cichlid hunting together. That's not something I see a lot. I don't think I've ever seen that happening, to be honest. Okay, another bite. But they're really small. I don't know where the big ones are. It's usually when the water is this clear, the big ones are really active and you get very good sizes. But for some reason, I can't find them today. It's all small fish, but they're really aggressive. Be able to catch some fish. Okay, that's not a bad distance. Not a bad casting distance at all. Woo, there we go. There we go. Ah, that was so close. Oh my goodness, they're so aggressive today. Fish on, guys. That's a good one. Oh, it's actually not that big. Ah, it's gone. Wasn't really that big, about the same size as the first one I caught, but felt bigger when I hooked it. But it's gone. Gotta keep trying. Oh wait, ah. Woo, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh, I just can't believe how aggressive these guys are today. Look at that, Mr. Pike cichlid. Quick picture, and then I'm gonna release this guy. Woo. Now I just need a bigger one. I already got a few fish, but I want my monster pike cichlid. That's the bite I want. Okay, the bite really stopped after the wind started. I mean, the real heavy wind started, so I think it might be a good moment to go back, maybe. This is crazy. Look at that. The winds are really heavy. Things got really crazy out here. So